The next trick that I'm going to show you is called the potato trick, and I'm going to break it down for you and what that looks like in just a moment. Page, you're going to draw an oval or a potato. So it looks like a potato is laying down. Right here and right here where it's curving on the sides, you're going to draw a line down on both sides. You're going to give it some legs. Next, you're going to take your pencil and you're going to make a mark here. This is your chin. This is the top of your head. This is the side, and this is the side of your head. I don't like to move my wrist and my hand like this. It makes me feel uncomfortable and it's awkward. So I'm going to turn my board here. You can turn your paper, and you're going to connect here to here. And I'm going to connect here to here. Now I have the shape of a head. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase here. My little arrows. You're going to add a neck. Remember, no short, skinny necks. And then you're going to add your shoulders. If you find that this is too pointy, you can round it out like that. And this is called the potato. Okay, it's time for a composition check. Place your hand on top of your head shape. If you place your hand on top and it just covers your face, it's a good composition. If it completely covers the head and you cannot see anything, it's time to redraw that head shape to fill up the composition. Looking for the U trick? Check the description for the other tutorial.